In this video, I will show you how to remove the watermark from your videos using a few methods. These methods are completely free. Our first method involves using an AI tool to automatically remove the watermark. I will show you how this AI can easily remove watermarks from your images as well. For this, we go to the website media.io. We click on Sign Up for Free. We log in, and as you see on the screen, we go to the Watermark Remover section. At this stage, if you wish, you can download the program to your computer and continue, or you can remove the watermark online. I will use it online. From this section, you upload the video from which you want to remove the watermark. After the video is uploaded, we adjust the brush size from the panel on the right side and mark the area we want to erase. After carefully selecting, we click on the Remove Objects Now button, and in a few minutes, the video is provided to us without the watermark as output. Now let's move on to the second method. I will show you how to remove the watermarks from your videos with CapCut. Show your support by subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button, dropping a comment, and sharing my videos with your friends. Your support means the world to me. Let's start. Firstly, we open CapCut and create new project after import our video. I trim the unnecessary parts at the end of the video. Now select main video. Then on this scroll to right to find duplicate button and go on them to copy video. Now click on copied video and scroll to left to find overlay button and click on it. Now move this overlay video to the beginning part. Then go back. After that, you need to click on effects and go to video effects. Now go to lens and scroll down to find blur effect. Click on it. Now you can set a strength of this effect, and when you finish, click on this to add. Now we need to expand this effect to end a video. Then click on blur effects and select object, set overlay. The blur effect will appear over your video. Then go back after click on overlay. You add then scroll to right to find mask button and click on it. Tap on this rectangle and go on this video and move it effect on watermark. You can adjust the size of the rectangle or change the adjustment of the blur effect as you wish. After making fine adjustments, our video without watermark is ready. You can download it from the upper right corner. Here are 2 free and easy ways to get rid of watermarks. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.